In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Firebase hosting. If you've built a site on Firebase and want it to load from your own domain, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact process inside the Firebase console and highlight what each piece means, so you know why you're doing it, not just where to click. Start by opening your Firebase project in the console and heading to the hosting section. This is your control center for deploying and configuring your site. On the hosting page, look for the option to add a custom domain. Click Add Custom Domain to begin. This starts a short guided flow that links your project to the web address you already own. Next, enter your domain. You can type your root, like yourdomain.com, or a specific subdomain, like app.yourdomain.com, depending on what you plan to use. The root domain is best if you want your primary brand URL, while a subdomain is useful for a separate app or environment. Once you've typed it correctly, click Continue. Take a moment to double-check your spelling here. Typos are the most common cause of connection issues. Firebase will now provide a TXT record to verify you own the domain. You'll see a host value, often shown as a, and a TXT value that starts with something like Firebase. The @ symbol is shorthand for the root of your domain, and the TXT value is a unique token that proves ownership. Copy this TXT value carefully and keep it somewhere you can easily reference. Treat it like a verification code. Don't share it publicly. If you ever need to revisit, you can return to this screen in the console. Once verification completes, Firebase will give you two A records. These are IP addresses that represent Firebase hosting servers. A records map your domain name to those servers so browsers know where to find your site. Copy both IP addresses exactly as shown. You'll use them to point your domain to Firebase. It's normal to see exactly two addresses. They're provided for reliability and load distribution. At this point, you've gathered everything you need from Firebase, your verified domain token, and the pair of A record IPs. Keep these details organized and ready for your next configuration steps. A quick tip: different registrars may label fields like host, name, or value slightly differently, and some may show @ or leave it blank for the root. That's expected. Also, allow a little time for changes to take effect once everything is in place. That's it for collecting and understanding the required records in Firebase hosting. You're now set up to complete your custom domain connection with